Today we are going to draw and paint a dog. So let's start with the sketch. First I'll mark up a line over here and here. Leave 3 finger space from the bottom and then leave 1 finger space and then 2 finger space for this part. 3 finger space from the top and then over here make the face of the dog. This way. Make an oval first, touching this line. Then from the other side as well. It is kind of shaped like an egg. Then from here I draw this part of the dog like this. Okay, in case you make a mistake, feel free to erase it using an eraser. Then over here I'll draw its nose, its mouth line. Then from here I add the patch of the dog, then its eye over here. Again 2 egg-shaped eyes. Another patch on the eye over here. Then over here draw a line like this. Then from here make this part, and on the left side as well make this line like this for the bone. Then from here make the line for the body of the dog like this. Then a pattern. I think I should reduce the size a little bit. Then over here I'll draw a heart. Draw one side like this and the other this way. Then from here we'll draw the ears of the dog from this side. Another line from here. Do it on the other side as well. Let's move forward to the painting part. Before painting any picture, we need to erase the pencil lines. Not completely, but we need to make it a little faint. So using an eraser, I'll make it faint like this. Let's start painting the picture now. I'll take orange on my brush. Make sure you're taking a thick amount of it. Mix equal parts of water and color in the mixture. And draw the outline first and then paint this part over here carefully. Make sure when you're painting the picture, you're not using water for coloring but paint for coloring. In case you run out of this mixture, mix paint again. I'm adding orange in this part as well. We'll first color up all the areas that require this orange paint mixture, and then we'll move ahead to the other colors of the dog. Next, we'll mix paint for the nose. Add a little bit of red in the orange that you were using and paint the nose over here. First make the highlight like this and then paint the entire nose. Make sure you're not painting the highlight. That is supposed to be white. Next, take yellow color. Again, mix equal parts of color and water. Create a mixture and use this for painting the leftover parts of the dog. Next, take black color on your paintbrush and paint the eyes. First, make these circles over here, one big and the other will be a small one for the highlights in the eyes, and fill up the rest over part of the eye this way. Do the same thing for the other eye as well. Next, take blue color. Now this blue is very watery. I have added more water and less paint, so it's really light like this. In watercolors we don't add white, but we add water to make the paint light, any color light. So this way I outline the bone using the blue color. Next, take a watery mixture of teal color. Make sure you mix a puddle on your palette and then use that for painting instead of spreading it with water. This is a common mistake in watercolors and you might want to avoid it. Now, this way using a broad brush, paint it and paint slowly and move from one portion to the other this way. Be careful around the edges. You don't want that color on the dog. For small spaces like this, you can use your thin brush, that is brush number 1 or 0. My brush has a good point, so I don't need to switch my brush, but I just use my brush from the tip and it works for me. Pull the background properly using the same color. the next step, we will require red, orange and black sketch pen. Using the black sketch pen, outline the dog in these areas. You don't have to outline everything, so please pay attention. And outline the lines as I'm outlining here in the video. Next, outline the patch using the red sketch pen and also add the same line inside the patch over here. Next, using the red sketch pen, add lines like this here. Next, over here, add lines following the line of the ear like this, and add lines next to it as well, and fill up this ear this way. Next, outline the heart at the bottom over here and add lines like this. Next, add another heart over here and another one inside this one as well. Next, follow this line of the patch and fill it all the way to the bottom over here. Next, take a really thick mixture of white paint and over here add a dot like this and then lines like this for the snowflakes. We'll make these snowflakes and some dots all over the background to make it look a little bit more interesting. Make sure you're using a really thick mixture, otherwise the blue background will show from the white. So make sure that you have less water and a lot of pigment on your brush. Draw circles and these snowflakes, and in case you think that you have painted it but it is still light, you can see the blue paper through it, you can run your brush over it again and make it a little bit more bright. Now using the blue sketch pen, add dots like this, some swirls this way, at a distance from the snowflakes. Also outline the black outline of the dog with the blue marker here. Next, take the orange sketch pen and add lines like this over the dog. And that's it. We are done with our painting.